You start your car, the engine sounds smooth, it drives perfectly normal, but there is that annoying orange check engine light staring you right in the face. It is haunting you, isn't it? If your scanner is showing the code P0036, you are dealing with a heated oxygen sensor control circuit issue, specifically on bank 1, sensor 2. Let's break down what that actually means so you do not get ripped off at a shop. Your car uses oxygen sensors to figure out how much fuel to burn. To work accurately, these sensors need to be extremely hot. Since the exhaust takes a while to heat up, the car sends electricity to a tiny heater inside the sensor to get it ready quickly. This code means the computer has tried to power up that heater, but the circuit is open or not resisting the way it should. The important part here is bank 1, sensor 2. Bank 1 is the side of the engine that has the number 1 cylinder. Sensor 2 is the one located way back, after the catalytic converter. Here is the good news. This sensor is mostly a tattletale. Its main job is to check if your catalytic converter is doing its job. It does not control your air-fuel mixture like the front sensor does. That is why your car still runs fine. However, you cannot pass emissions with that light on. The most common causes are pretty straightforward. It is usually a burnout heater element inside the sensor itself, kind of like a light bulb blowing out, or it could be damage to the wiring underneath the car. Think about it. That sensor is hanging out under your vehicle, exposed to road debris, water, and salt. A ground strap could be corroded, or a wire could be melted against the exhaust. To diagnose this, you need to get under the car, safely. Please let the exhaust cool down first. Find the sensor after the converter. Look at the wires first. Do they look chewed up or burnt? If the wires look okay, grab your digital multimeter. You want to disconnect the sensor and measure the resistance, or ohms, of the heater circuit. You will need a wiring diagram or a quick search to know which 2 pins are for the heater, but usually, they are the 2 wires of the same color, like 2 whites or 2 blacks. If your meter reads infinity or open line, the internal heater is dead, and you just need a new sensor. If you do have resistance, check the car side of the connector to make sure it is getting power and ground when you turn the key on. It is a simple circuit. Power, ground, and a heater. Don't let a mechanic tell you you need a new computer or a new catalytic converter before checking these basics. It is almost always the sensor or a broken wire.